Welcome to our channel. Today we how to scale your dropshipping business with PayPal easy tutorial step by step clearly. To scale your dropshipping business with PayPal, start by ensuring your PayPal account is fully set up. If you haven't already, create a PayPal business account for better features and support. Link your bank account and credit cards to your PayPal account for seamless transactions. Next, research your niche and identify trending products that have high demand. Use tools like Google Trends or social media insights to validate your product choices. Once you have your products, set up an attractive online store with platforms like Shopify or WooCommerce. Integrate PayPal as your payment processor in your online store. Customize your PayPal settings to offer a smooth checkout experience to your customers. Create a shipping policy that clearly states delivery times and costs to manage customer expectations. Implement a marketing strategy by utilizing social media, email campaigns, and influencers to drive traffic to your store. Consider using PayPal's promotional tools, like discounts and limited-time offers, to encourage conversions. After driving traffic to your site, focus on providing excellent customer service to build trust and loyalty. Regularly analyze your sales data through PayPal to determine which products are performing best. Adjust your marketing strategies based on this data to optimize your sales. Reinvest a portion of your profits back into your business for advertising and exploring new products. Stay updated with PayPal's features and improvements to take full advantage of their offerings. Continuously improve your website's user experience to reduce cart abandonment rates. Collaborate with reliable suppliers to ensure timely fulfillment and quality products. Finally, be patient and persistent. Scaling a business takes time and consistent effort. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.